Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we turn on adaptive brightness in our Samsung phone. Friends, you want to on your phone adaptive brightness in your Samsung phone, so friend, how can we on, and after on guys how can we use. Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends, click on your bright display setting guys, tap here, and guys again scroll friends, you can see your adaptive brightness guys. You want to on, you can on guys. After on guys, your brightness will decrease because guys you are in the room, so when your brightness will decrease, you can see like that. So are your friends, you have understood how to on adaptive brightness, how can we use. So when you will go outside and when you will come inside in your room, so friends your brightness will increase and decrease according to your environment setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends. I hope friends you have understood how to on adaptive brightness and how to use it. So that's it guys, bye.